As of today, about 28% of the U.S. population has been vaccinated. Many states are opening vaccination appointments to everyone 16 and over. And scammers are literally coming out of the woodwork. Here's how you can protect yourself. Your Monday Tech Update is brought to you by LinkedIn. If your growth strategy this year is to add new members to your business, LinkedIn can help. Post a job for free at linkedin.com/Kim. People who operate scam websites are pretending to guide you to a vaccine appointment, usually for a fee. The websites are designed to trick you, to look exactly like legitimate government sites. They even have ways to manipulate Google and other search engines to place their scam website at the top of the list, above legitimate websites. There's only one website that I recommend for helping you find vaccination locations and to schedule an appointment: vaccinefinder.org. Be very careful to spell everything correctly. And remember, it's .org, not .com. That's vaccinefinder.org. I'm Kim Komando. When data breaches and scams happen, you need to know fast. That's why I send out breaking news alerts you can get for free at komando.com/subscribe. Join over 400,000 folks that get my free newsletters. You're going to love them. Komando.com/subscribe.